Do you want to save up to 80% when you're shopping on Amazon? Most people don't know there's a free tool you can use to analyze the price. Let's hop into my computer and I'll show you how it's done. Let's first go to keepa.com. Just type in Keepa. Keepa.com. Just click into deals. And let's start with category video games, for example. Probably one of the most popular categories. You can find some games, 62% down at the moment, Monstrum. Take a look. Usually it's selling for 29. It dipped to 10.99. You can see it goes up and down. And then it went back to 29. At the moment you can buy it for 10.99. So if you're looking for this game, it might be an option for you. Or, for example, a gaming headset from Sennheiser. It says average $72, now at the moment it's just $29.97. Let's take a look. As you can see here, it was all the way up to $79 just a few days ago. Then it dropped to 64, dropped to 49, and went back up to the around 80 mark. At the moment it's just $29.99. So if you're looking for a new gaming headset, this might be something that you can look into. A different category that is very popular is, for example, pet supplies. Let's take a look what deals we can find in pet supplies. Alright, so around 60% if you need a dog collar, for example. Okay, this is interesting. Let's click into it. As you can see here, it was all the way down to 7. Now it jumped back to 17 and back down to 7. So it might look like a good deal, but it's actually not really a good deal because it was at this price not too long ago. Let's take a look at some supplements. Alright, so the price was up around 40. It's down to around 26, 27. All the way down to 18, jumped back to 50 just a few days ago, January 6, January 7. And now it's at the cheapest it was in quite a long time. So if you need supplements for your dog, you might be able to buy this for $15.50. Let's go into one more category. For example, you can see here how many deals, 7,700 in home and kitchen. Let's take a look. Alright, so this is actually, I said up to 80%, so you can see here this is around 78. I'm not sure who would need this, but let's take a look into it. Artificial plant. Alright, with some spiders and an eye. Okay. $93 is the price on Amazon. That is absolutely ridiculous. It dropped down to 30, up to 90, down to 26, and now it's down to around 18, which I think for some fake plants is definitely already quite high. No way anybody's gonna pay $90 for that. I think these are some signs. Let's take a look. My brain has too many tabs open. Alright. So it's around 30 or 9. You can see here it goes up and down, so this is why you should definitely get Keepa. This is a free tool. Just go to Keepa Chrome extension if you're using Chrome, and then just click here and in this case add the extension. Let's click out of this one. This is some sort of wall art. It was around $11. $11 shot way up to 48 and then down to 11 or 10. So again, this is definitely not a deal. Maybe look like a deal when you're looking for it, but you basically get the main idea behind it. You click into the different categories that you're interested in, and you can check out the different deals. Let's take a look at another one. This is absolutely ridiculous. This can hold some cups, and they're charging $170 for it. Who's gonna buy them? $227. Anyways, I want to keep this quite short. So just go to Keepa, click on deals, select your language and your marketplace, select any category that you like, and then go into it. But definitely take a look at the graph so you don't fall for something like this. That was already high, got low, and then back up again. Alright guys, this is it for today. See you in the next one.